Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, Exercise 3.11. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing a square method. Already we have solved the equation, particularly the quadratic equation, by factorization method. This is a new method, completing the square method. Okay. In this method, first condition, the coefficient of x square should be 1 only. But what is there? 9. The 9 has to be eliminated, so that divide by 9. Each and every term should be divided by 9. That is 9x squared by 9, 12x by 9, minus 12x by 9 plus 4 by 9 equals 0 by 9. That's the first step. 9 get cancelled. 12 and 9 we can divide by 3 table 3 times, 4 times. So x squared minus 4 by 3 into x plus 4 by 9 equals 0 by anything is always 0. Now look at that, the coefficient of x squared is 1 only. The next step, we have to introduce brackets, set of bracket, whole square minus. In completing a square method, after converting the coefficient of x square into 1, put the set of brackets, whole square minus, always. Then, since we have x squared, we have to introduce x only. Already we have square, x square, here it is. Then, in referred column, consider the coefficient of x. What is here? Minus 4 by 3. Whatever it is, that should be divided by 2 always. Whether it is 7 by 2. Whether it is minus 4 by 3 by 2. Always divide by 2. Can simplify. Write the numerator as it is. Division becomes multiplication. 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. Now you can cancel by 2 table 2 times. That is equal to minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 divided by 3. What is here? Minus 2 by 3. Right? Minus 2 by 3. Next. Already I told you, always you have to put minus only. Whether it is a minus or plus, it is always minus only. Then 2 by 3 should be squared. 2 squared and 3 squared. 2 by 3 the whole square. Next step we can square. Okay. Plus constant 4 by 9 equals 0. Again I tell you the same step. Set of brackets. X squared is there. You have to put x only. Already we have square. Then consider the coefficient of x. That should be divided by 2. Numerator as it is, division become multiplication. 2 reciprocal 1 by 2, 2 table 1 time and 2 times. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 divided by 3, right? Minus 2 by 3 here, always minus. Then consider this 2 by 3, 2 by 3 only, right? 2 by 3 square. Even though if we have plus 2 by 3, here minus only, so minus 2 by 3 the whole square, plus the constant 4 by 9 equals 0. We have to simplify. X minus 2 by 3 the whole square as it is, minus, the square is only for 2 and 3, not for minus. So 2 square becomes 4 and 3 square becomes 9 plus 4 by 9 equals 0. Here plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 get cancelled. So we have x minus 2 by 3 the whole square only, that is equal to 0. Then taking square root on both sides. Why we are taking square root? For eliminating the power 2. So we have x minus 2 by 3 the whole square in the left hand side. Take square root. Since we have square in the power, definitely have to introduce plus or minus because it is a quadratic equation. X square is a quadratic equation. Definitely this equation must have two roots. So plus or minus you have to introduce. Then what is the square root of 0? Square root of 0. Next step you can write square root of 0 is 0 only. Square and square root get cancelled. You will be getting x minus 2 by 3, that is equal to plus or minus square root of 0 is 0 only. Now you have to retain x alone in the left hand side, then minus 2 by 3 to be taken to the right hand side. X, that is equal to, already we have plus or minus 0, then this minus 2 by 3 comes right hand side, plus 2 by 3. Therefore x equals, take the plus sign first, 0 plus 2 by 3, and x equals minus 0 plus 2 by 3. 0 plus anything is same thing. Minus 0 and 0 are same only. 0 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. Look at that. Already told you this equation has two roots. Therefore the two roots are two by 3 and 2 by 3. Suppose fail to put plus or minus, if you write only 0, then you will be getting x equals 2 by 3. That is absolutely wrong. Here don't forget 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, how many roots totally? 2 roots, even though they are same. Right, problem number 1 subdivision 1 is over. I will be teaching problem number 1 subdivision 2 in the next video. Thank you children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.11. Now question number 1, subdivision number 2. Solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. Which implies 5x plus 7, let it be, then you have to cross multiply 3x plus 2 into x minus 1. 5x plus 7 equals 3x into x, that is equal to 3x squared. 3x into minus 1 equals minus 3x. Then plus 2 into x, that is equal to 2x. Plus 2 into minus 1 equals minus 2. Since we have 3x squared, that is in the right hand side, know the x squared term. So write 3x squared as it is. Minus 3x plus 2x together minus x. Plus 5x comes right hand side, minus 5x. And the constant we have in the right hand side, minus 2. Plus 7 when it comes to the right hand side of equal sign, minus 7. Nothing in left hand side, 0. Which implies, write 3x squared first. Together minus 1x minus 5x equals minus 6x. Minus 2 minus 7 equals minus 9, that is equal to 0. I already told you in completing a square method, particularly the coefficient of x squared should be 1. But what is here? 3. So each and every term should be divided by 3. That is 3x squared by 3 minus 6x by 3 minus 9 by 3 equals 0 by 3. 3 table 3 times, 3 table 2 times, 3 get cancelled. So we will be getting x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0 by 3 is 0. X squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now after getting the coefficient of x squared as 1, introduce set of brackets, square minus always. Then since we have x squared, write x and square is already there. Consider the coefficient of x. What is here? Minus 2. That should be divided by 2. That is equal to minus 2 to get cancelled 1. What is here? Minus 1. So minus 1. Already told you how to write minus only. What's the number here? That 1 should be square. Then constant at the last equals 0. Then x minus 1 the whole square as it is minus 1 square is 1. The square is only for 1, not for minus. So write minus as it is. 1 square is 1 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So x minus 1 whole square together, minus 1 minus 3 equals minus 4 equals 0. X minus 1 whole square, that is equal to minus 4 comes right hand side plus 4. For eliminating the square, taking square root on both sides. So square root of x minus 1 the whole square equals square root of 4. Since we have square in the power, you have to introduce plus or minus. Square and square root get cancelled. X minus 1 equals plus or minus square root of 4, that is equal to 2. So therefore x equals plus or minus 2. This minus 1 comes right hand side plus 1. So x equals, first consider plus sign, plus 2 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, and x equals, then consider minus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3, x equals minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. We have double roots. Therefore the two roots are 3 and minus 1. So question number 1, second subdivision also over. I'll be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.